to my channel. It's been a little while. Please excuse the bump on my forehead. Babe?
What up?
We are on our way to Iceland! So we took a flight from Kingston to New York, and then so now we're here. It's a long layover. Yeah, we're just trying to get a little, like, chill a little bit because we've had a long layover. We landed, yeah, we've been out till 7.
It's 8:30.
So 8:30 p.m. So we had a long
7:30 Jamaican time.
7:30 Jamaican time. So we had a long day so far, and we had a long layover. We landed at 4:35 or 4:15 p.m. and we've been at the airport since JFK since then. So we are waiting. Our flight to Iceland leaves at 11:30 p.m. No, 11:59 p.m. and we land in Iceland at 9:15 a.m. So, and then we're just gonna hit the ground running a little bit. So it's for this guy's birthday. You know how we do. So his birthday trip, and yeah, we're here. It's been a while since I've vlogged, so excuse me. I feel it's weird. I feel it's weird. Yeah, I'm trying to get back into it, especially for this trip that we're doing. I think it's a very special trip, so I have to bring you guys along with me. Vlogging in public and people are staring, but it's fine because I am brave, and I should have been doing this more and more so that I wouldn't be so shy. But listen, we're gonna just pick it back up and be a little bit brave. Oh, here are my nails for the trip. I decided to do like an Iceland blue inspiration. Hakeem said he wanted blue, so I decided to do blue, and that's my nails. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and I will pick back up with you guys when we're in Iceland.
From Game of Thrones, yes?
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Arrowhead or something like that.
Oh. I'm hearing it's snowing a little.
Yeah. Right now, pieces on the roads made of markets in green easy to pass without any like Spotify snow, etc. But the weather in this country, especially in winter, can change really fast.
Yeah.
Week fast, yes. So yeah. I'm gonna give a really nice website about the road conditions. So yeah, it's gonna be nice to check it every day morning before we go somewhere, because I believe we live in Jamaica. Not too many experience on the driving ice and snow, yeah?
No. We only have crazy drivers. Nothing else.
You can teach me something about surfing, for example. Yeah?
This is our ride for a while we're here. We are here. We've landed. We're in our vehicle and we are driving to go to our first stop, which is the Blue Lagoon. So persons say, based on the research I've done, that when you land, it's best to just head to Blue Lagoon first thing because it is close to the airport and there's nothing much else to come back down out here to do. It's so crazy to be somewhere that you've been looking at for months and to finally see the seeings.
Yeah, they look like fissures over there.
Fissures, oh yeah, probably.
Behind the mountain, you can't see it.
In 600 meters, take the exit.
So we're on our way to Blue Lagoon. Okay, so so this is the shower area, well, the place to, oh gosh, I'm losing the word. What is it? To change. And it's, yeah. change and then head in. Oh. Right, so we're here. It's so like exciting to be here. I can't believe it. Alright, so I was worried about like how the bottom would feel. It feels like just feels like because nobody talks about what it feels like under here because you can't see beneath the water. It's pretty you pay 9,900 per person for a comfort pass. So we get these and we get lockers and stuff. And we're supposed to get a face mask, so we'll go and get that and a drink, I think. And they're very strict about getting into the house. Like you have to shower naked, not in your bathing suit. You have to cover yourself and wash off. And but it's pretty
What am I know?
Huh? Oh, they'll tell you.
What am I know? Say I need to wash off.
Well, they tell you, and I did it.
Thoughts?
Because I was walking out and the lady saw me drying. I was like, oh, you need to shower. But they were friendly about it.
Nobody said anything to me though.
Nobody said anything to you?
No.
But you came back wet though.
Yeah, because you said it to me. So.
Yeah.
I wanted to be responsible human being. So yeah.
But it's, guys, it's so cold. And what gets me is and it just changed. Like, I didn't even have like that. We got our car, we came straight here. That's what most persons say. Like if you're coming, you land, just come straight here because it literally is, it's close to the airport and there's nothing else really around. So you want to go like, you want to continue your journey to Reykjavik. You don't want to go and then come back here for Blue Lagoon. But yeah, there's another one called Sky Lagoon. But this iconic one is if you're coming to Iceland, this is the one that everybody sees. And Jamaica has a Blue Lagoon. I'm excited that we're able to get a different Blue Lagoon experience. That's so cool, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're gonna go get our face mask now. The water, Hakeem said that he accidentally tasted it, right? So he tasted salty. I'm not gonna do it. And I'm not gonna get my hair wet. You'll get your hair wet. Yeah. But yeah. Hello. Okay. Oh, sorry. Thank you. So we get this mask. What's this one? Oh yeah, there's a mirror on the back of this. Ooh, it went in your eye. It's okay. You're so cute. Hey.
Nothing like.
You're cute. Why would you say that? What does it smell like?
Can you take a picture?
It smells like clay. I can't really see. Okay. Oh, it's very thick. Excuse me. Excuse me. Hi. What is it good for?
It's a group.
Stimulator? What is it good for? Deep cleanser. Deep cleanser. Oh, okay. Thank you. So apparently it's the deep cleanser. Oh! So this mask is supposed to be deep cleanser. Oh, my hair.
The big side.
Of course, Hakeem gets roped into being a photographer. My hair, tuck it behind.
Deu certo? Viu aqui? Deixa eu ver se tua cara ficou bem branquinha.
Still? Okay. Cheers.
One more year pandemic.
Yeah. So we get a drink as well. With the comfort pass. So I got the sparkling strawberry. Yeah, no, and I don't drink. It has a little bit of alcohol, but I should be able to be fine. But he even got the non-alcoholic beer, and it's really good.
Is this not alcoholic?
Yeah,
Is it?
yeah.
It tastes alcohol.
There's no alcohol. It's non-alcoholic beer.
Summer.
Summersby. That's what you got. The side. You got the non-alcoholic beer.
That was beer. No, I didn't get the non-alcoholic beer.
Oh, you got the Summersby cider. I don't
Yeah.
taste alcohol. It tastes pretty. It tastes like apple soda. But yeah. Cheers, baby.
She really, you know. All right, take out a bigger glass.
I don't taste no alcohol. Oh yeah, I taste it. I taste it now. This is one of the cutest Airbnbs ever. I searched high and low for the perfect Airbnb, and I think I did a damn good job. Places in Reykjavik are expensive, in Iceland in general. Look at this view. Oh my god. Look at the cute mugs, stove top. The pink blender, so cute. I just love everything. And the floor is black epoxy. Let me show you the bedroom. This is me, literally. Hey girl. Sorry if I sound delirious. But, yeah. And then there's a workstation here. The bathroom is right here. I'll show you the bathroom after. Then bedroom. This bed looks like heaven. There's no TV in the bedroom, but I don't think we care that much. It necessarily watch too much TV anyway. And then this is the view from the bedroom. And look at the trees. Isn't that so cute? And they're blowing in the wind. Yeah. This is so cute. The radiator right there. Getting some groceries. First stop. Yeah, one of these. You can pull it from here, I guess, baby. Okay. I love it. It's on theme. It's yellow. I want to get some apple juice. Oh, they have mango juice. I see some. I wonder if we need this. I think we should get this. We should get this. Oh, it's a good. Alright, I think we should get some blueberries and some grapes. Oh, beautiful. Good morning.
In 50 meters at the roundabout, take the first exit.
Let me see. So we're going to a place called Perlan Museum. Yay! It's gonna be fun. So they serve this with ice cream and whipped cream. It comes with it. So this is a raspberry cake. Oh my god. Hi, cutie.
Is this my birthday cake?
I got 2 forks, so. Hey guys, good morning. So I decided to get cake for the birthday boy.
For me?
Yeah,
Or for you?
for both of us. smoothie for me. So, oh, I just rested. I didn't want to rest it on the table. I figured my scarf would be cleaner. So yeah, it looks delicious. So we are currently at Perlan Museum. Oh, Hakeem is taking this.
We started off for dinner or lunch right there, right here, and we're here right now.
I just saw Hakeem. Hakeem was like, this just seems so like. I mean, I said, what happened? Cause you know me, I look on him for cues like that. Like he literally was like, move. I'm like, we didn't move. I'm here eating. I'm stuffing my face.
Yes, so we enjoy the food so that we all move chairs.
We all move plate. I took Hakeem's plate because I keep dipping over there. I'm like, listen, I had no idea. That's crazy. So the Perlan music is like
So the floor moves. And it moves so slowly that you don't even realize until you actually realize.
I probably went minute ago for your plate.
So it rotates. So it makes a full rotation in 2 hours.
That's crazy.
So people there eat and then probably eat and go and then realize that they move.
Like me.
I didn't realize up until I say it.
I took Hakeem's plate.
She took my plate.
Yeah. I don't want pizza again.
That's
it's
a
like
norm.
rye bread and butter, and then this has like some fish and cheese on it. It's like potato au gratin, but it's mashed, and it's so busting. It's so good.
No longer my food.
I see you moving. We got it moving. Are you?
Well, this is a
Like you get so here to go to the ice cave and the lava show.
It's just starting.
That's crazy. What is it? Oh, this is the smell of this room.
Yo, it smells so crazy.
But it's not bad. It smells like.
It hit me.
It smells
No,
like.
I think we're deep. We're breathing too deep.
Yeah, you probably are.
It's crazy.
It's not. I like it.
Yeah, I'm gonna jump. No.
You want to jump in it?
No, sorry.
Jump in the earth womb?
Scratch it. But no, jump down real quick. Alright,
Oh my God, the worst.
let's go.
Oh my God.
Negative 15 degrees.
Guys, that ice cave,
It's not it.
it's not it, literally, because yo, the franticism you feel, I keep saying franticism, that's not a word, fanaticism that you feel when you're trying to get out of cold. No sir.
The country they can't walk on it.
Where do you want to put it? Right here.
Out of ice,
Into the
jump in a
fire.
fire. It's literally the country of fire and ice.
Yo, country people want to see this. It's sparkle water.
Yeah, and popcorn ceiling.
Oh, that's cute.
International, you know? Alright, ready for the fire show. Blaze up the fire. Aha.
Yes. Okay, so we're just leaving Perlan Museum, and it was an amazing experience, worth every single penny.
Yeah. Every level.
Every
Time has flown. I did not realize.
what time is it?
It's now 3:15.
3:15. Yeah, but it was time well spent. But now we're going to our second place, which is Flyover Iceland.
At the church? Oh,
It's a
fly over Iceland.
yeah, so it's like a place that you go, and it's like a virtual interactive place where you sit and it feels like you're flying over Iceland.
Oh,
Yeah.
helicopter.
No, so we're not going on a helicopter, bro.
Yes,
We don't do helicopters. So we definitely recommend Perlan Museum. The persons there are very nice.
Everything, even the food is good.
The food was good.
The ambience up there, I'm sure it's great at night.
So it's worth every single penny. Like the exhibitions, they're interactive. The location, it smells great. It's like it's a just go and experience it. So now we're gonna go to Flyover Iceland. I don't think we're allowed to record at Flyover Iceland because it's a very they want to preserve the integrity of the thing there, of how they showcase what they have there. So we are now ready for dinner. Oh, gloves. Yeah, gloves for the cold weather. But this is my outfit. I'm just outfit of the night. So I'm wearing my trench and this pants, but I have tights underneath it. And this like wool yarny type of jacket. My trench, yeah. Yeah, my Marvel slippers for sure. No, I'm gonna wear heels. Hold on, let me zoom my coat. Yeah, I'm gonna wear heels. So I'm just layering up and just on top and mid, and then I'll have on my heels, and that's the outfit for the night. So we're gonna show you where we go. Oh, I need to tell you guys about the Flyover Iceland experience. 10 out of 10 recommend. It's really cool. You basically it's a little bit under 11,000 krona for 2 persons, 2 adults, and we went in. We got a little history of the Vikings coming over to Iceland by this this man that was kind of like, you know, pretending to be like one of those from back way back in the day, came into like his cabin and fire and everything. It was really nice. It felt cozy. And then we had a troll tell us a little more story about everything. And then we went into the simulator. So it's like a simulator where you sit and it feels like a roller coaster, and they spray water in your face and everything. Like, they don't allow you to film during the experience, but you just have to go. Just trust me. If you're in Iceland and in Reykjavik and you're looking for something to do in Reykjavik, that's definitely something you have to do. And then before that, we had gone to Perlan Museum, which you'll see clips of from before. But it was really nice. Brunch was nice. I had a little birthday brunch for Hakeem. But and then we had the tour, not the tour, we walked around the museum. It's very interactive. And then you have the Northern Lights show, which is really cool. And you also have a volcano show, which is not actual volcano. It's like a video showing an eruption, but it just, you know, really nice. So those are really good things to do in Reykjavik. So now we're just gonna go and get some dinner at this restaurant called Kol. Well, it's between Kol and Apotek, babe. I should show you them. So yeah, so I want Hakeem to choose because I'm into either one of them. I feel like I'd more so want to go to Apotek, but whichever one we end up going to, you guys will see. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the night. We are so tired. I was fighting the sleep, but I put on some makeup. It's still setting, so it looks a little yellow right now. This lighting is not doing it, but it's fine. It looks good in person. That's all that matters. But listen, we're tired. The jet lag, I feel like, is kind of coming down on me and not feeling my best, but we're gonna get to it. But this is Reykjavik day 2, or Iceland day 2. Tomorrow and the following days we have a little more outside of the city excursions coming up, so you can see the actual true beauty of Iceland with us. And I think that's what we're most excited to experience, actual what we see Iceland to be like in pictures and everything like that. So that is yeah, that's pretty much what we're up to for now. So we're in front of I can't even pronounce the name of the church, but it's here at night. We went to this restaurant. I said before, we were going to Kol. I mean, I love the food at Kol, Massa. It's too salty. It's too salty for me. No, because I saw everybody talks about it and say it's like really nice. I mean, the service is nice, but it's hot. Hey guys, so decided to stop here. We're on our way to Vic, so we have stopped here to just, there's some like a water, like a river back there. I'll show you my outfit of the day. You guys are seeing. Seljalandsfoss. Oh god, I'm butchering the name. I will put the name on the screen. So we're gonna be going to walk to that waterfall over there. Hakeem is getting the drone ready. I just wanted to show you guys. Yeah, in Iceland there's paid parking, so you can use the Parka app, which I have on my phone. I can show it to you guys right now. So that's the Parka app. This is the app that you find on your Play Store, Apple Store, or whatever. But then also, but at this place, no, you don't have to use a Parka app. They have paid parking stand, right? Yeah, you go there and you put in your license plate information, the type of car you're driving, and you use your card. Along with, also, I should tell you guys that a lot of the places here do not take cash. Thanks, baby. They don't take cash, so have your card loaded up, your debit card, whatever card, and they mostly tap or insert. If you go to pay with cash anywhere, they're gonna say no, just use your card. So yeah, just a little tip I should put in. But we're here at this waterfall, and I don't remember if we have to pay to go in. More than likely we do, but I'll let you guys know. But yeah, I should have carried my hat. Wow.
Alright, my girl, ready for battle?
Huh?
Boot, cloak, Adam's glasses, ready. Let's go onward. Ready for chuck off? Alright guys, so see it here? Away there? Yeah man, breeze up breeze. Jesus! Alright. Kim, yeah, we expect. What a brave art. Yeah! Alright, you ready with the picture?
That was a lot. I look like a wet rat. Yeah, so we just left. The name of the waterfall is on the screen. I don't want to butcher it. I don't want to disrespect the people. But yeah, that's a lot. That's a lot of waterfall. It kind of reminds me of La Fortuna in Costa Rica. The stream runs along here. It's just really nice. The air is fresh. There's a lot of bugs though. Before I was saying that
trouble.
It's a trouble you?
No?
I think because I am like prey. But yeah, I was saying that there may be a fee to enter, but there's no. You just pay the parking and you enter. You just walk around. It's gorgeous. It's like, guys, we are literally like, is this snow?
I can't snow that Kim. I snow? We never see it before in a person, so you have to tell me.
We never see it before neither.
Look and tell me please.
Right there, right.
We travel so much and we never see snow.
right there, guys. I think it's snow because there's some places here that's snowing.
I wonder you get up there.
Let's try. We have never seen snow, so
A snow made up one?
I feel like it is snow.
Very close.
That is snow.
Alright.
Oh my god. Hold on. Not you going on like that literally 2 minutes ago. You tell me you're gone.
It gone.
You know, gone.
Excitement gone.
We're literally passing it. That's crazy.
Guys, I've never seen snow before, so pardon me.
Yeah.
Pardon me, alright?
We are very Jamaican.
I'm very new to this, so I act new in new occasions.
Yeah, he only acts new in new occasions. I act new all the
so
time.
it's past now, and I've experienced.
Babe, we're
it.
literally passing it. It's not past, it's we're looking at it.
Damn.
That's great. I'm eating blueberries.
Alright.
Blueberries for the road.
So I guess
Fun fact for those who didn't know, apparently they shot some stuff here for Game of Thrones.
Where?
You want to find the exact location?
No,
I remember,
not really.
but I think our Airbnb host was telling us that I'm sorry if the camera's a little foggy, but
You're just busy
we carried
eating
it
blueberries.
through. I'm keeping my blood level. What are blueberries good for? Antioxidants?
So,
Yeah, I'm keeping my blood.
the
My
landscape
blood
isn't nice.
antioxidant or whatever.
Open road.
Open road. This is literally why you come to Iceland, to drive and see the landscape. It literally is. It's snow. But how do you get up there for true?
Damn.
Damn is right. We had to pull over. We had to pull over. Good.
Ooh, I got it.
My face is cold.
Ready for the hike. Oh, there we go.
I'm so excited.
We'll find it. I'll see it soon. It's a wonder to see these big rocks of ice, big balls of ice.
Why are you saying that? It's a wonder.
I mean, it's just so crazy how nature works.
Can people walk down there?
Yeah.
Oh, I should tell them that this place, I'm going to put the name on the screen. I'm not going to try butchering. I'm not going to listen. But you pay the parking using the Parker app that I showed you guys. And you just come and walk. If you want to do a tour, proper tour with the company, there's a cabin down there. You can go and ask them. But we're just walking. We're too late for any tour right now. And yeah, so we're just going to go see.
Alright. And
Trying to be educational, you know?
I see some water and I'm a bit thirsty, so I'm going to drink some water. Give me a second, guys.
My Hakim is the tester, is the water drinker. You can drink from any stream here. I mean, being mindful, but yeah. How does it taste? Good?
Chilling.
Are your hands cold now?
My hand's been cold. It's refreshing.
Yeah, so that's one of the good things about here. The water is pure and clean. You can just... We love it. We love it here. We should move here. We trade one island for another island. I can't manage a cold. My hip them hot me everything, but I'm happy here. Do you guys see me cheesing? I'm so my nose is running, but listen. Me rather my nose run than sweater run. Finally at the black sand beach. I'm in full black. But it's kind of cool to be here. Sand. So this is about 2.5 hours outside of Reykjavik. I think there's supposed to be paid parking here, but we didn't see the parking meter, so we just parked and came. There's a really cool cave, and I think there's a viewpoint up there somewhere if you want to hike it. I'm not sure, but it's super windy and super cold. I don't know how. It's freezing. I am freezing. This is but it's beautiful. The wind is, it's very windy, so you have to be careful. So I don't think we're going to be able to set up a tripod or anything like that. That's the view. But it's really cool to be here, finally, after all this time.
Runny nose?
Yeah, it's like literally topping up the gas. Another little tip, do not quick fill up the tank because you'll get a charge on your credit card apparently to hold funds, so always just fill up in increments. So our gas tank is at half, so we're trying to just bring it up to at least a little full before it reaches like empty. So yeah, little tip. Morning everybody. Happy Saturday. So we decided that we were going to drive up north today. That's about a 5-hour drive, but so yeah, 10 hours of driving. Well, just to the up to Akureyri. I'll put the name of the place on the screen. So 10 hours of driving didn't really sound so, in one day didn't really sound so good to us. So we're actually going to be staying at an Airbnb. We literally booked it last minute last night. After we realized that the drive is going to be a little bit long and we don't want to rush. We want to take our time and get up there. And then there's also this lagoon that we want to go and see. It's like a Blue Lagoon, but it's one that's really beautiful up there up north. So we want to go there at night actually in hopes of seeing northern lights, so fingers crossed. But yeah, we just packed up our bag. So this is my bag. I just packed it up. And we're going to just head out now. It's at a little bit of a late start, but listen, we're trying to prioritize rest as much as possible. We came in after 11 last night and we were tired. We aimed to wake up 6 o'clock, but that never worked out at all. So we're just gonna, listen, we're here, we're just gonna drive. Hopefully the weather clears up a little bit. This is how it's looking right now. But the weather changes here pretty quickly, so it may be like this now, but then when we head out it gets a little better. So that's pretty much it. So we're gonna head on the road, try and get some, I think on the way we're gonna try and get something to eat, so we'll probably spot a cafe and stop there. Right babe? Yep. Yeah, we'll just spot something somewhere and stop. But we're excited to head up north. Yesterday we were driving along the south coast. It was beautiful. I have high hopes for driving along the north as well. Hopefully we'll see some snow-capped mountains and just have a nice little drive. Of course, repping Jamaica with my Jamaica necklace. and you can get one just like this on my Amazon storefront. Let me see if I can show it a little better. Yeah, it has a little engravement of Jamaica on it, and yeah, I love it so much. Of course, we had to stop here. It's so gorgeous. But we got some footage, so we're gonna show it to you guys right now. Driving along north is a lot more expansive than the south side, so we were trying to find, oh, you can eat inside here. So we found this place here. There's a food truck right there and you can eat right in there. It seems like it's open. It's really cute. So we're gonna get food there, but we're going to look and see. There's this geothermal bath here, so yeah. Oh, cute. So geothermal, so if you drive along on the northern side of Iceland, you're gonna see a lot more expansive landscape, but then you'll get to see little gems like this when they do have them. They're cute, so people can get some food right there. So this is Chroma geothermal bath and spa. It smells aggressively like sulfur. But this is what heats the water, so that persons can go and take a little swim. But it's really, really cool. So I'm going to show you guys when we get some food. But yeah, you have to have an open mind and just drive. Don't be afraid to drive, because then you'll just be able to spot cool little spots like this. You can't plan for these things. You just have to drive and see. Yeah, inside, yeah. His first bite, well, he had a bite of it already. Icelandic hot dog.
I couldn't wait.
But it's giving rave reviews for this. Heard so much stuff about Icelandic hot dogs. Good. Your face though. We have tomato soup. It's actually really nice. It's sweet. And like it bursts in your mouth. And then I got fish and chips. It's really warm in here. This is a greenhouse and they grow their tomatoes here. It's really cute. for Christmas or anniversary, we need to find somewhere that's actually snowing and it's actually a ball still. Yeah.
We still have a long way to go.
Okay, so this is where we're gonna be for the night. It's really cute. It's last minute, so yeah. Oh, there's a blow dryer. Maybe I can wash my hair. Okay, bed made in this style. This is how they make the beds here. TV, couch. It's really cute little room. That's pretty much it. It's a decent sized patio. Get a little view of the mountain. Yeah, that's the room.
Muscles.
Dinner fit.
Do you think Reykjavik would it?
It does. I think this is like the other major place that people come. So they literally, yeah, this is a pretty popular spot. So you're either flying to Reykjavik or you're flying to Akureyri.
Oh, they have an airport here?
They have an airport here, yeah. So, Akureyri city center. Where? You want to go there, so?
I think that's why we're seeing so many.
So the restaurant we're gonna go to, it doesn't seem like it's open, but it says it's open on Google. It's Saturday night, and there's not much hustle and bustle, which we don't really mind.
Vamos.
That's all. Oh. So yeah, it's not very bustly, but we have a reservation for a lagoon at 9:30 p.m. So we're just trying to get something quick to eat. Watch your planter box. So beautiful. All right, hear them. Hear the ying them. We're gonna need like extra rice. Okay, that's dinner. Babe, Jesus. You can say it, not me. Forest Lagoon. It's at night time. We decided to come at night.
You're going to
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I guess. Tiniest cart. It's so cute. Turn it that way. We're just trying to get out. We're just at the supermarket seeing what we can really pick up. But what are you doing? Just trying to see what we can get for the night. It's now, what time is it? And for the morning. Oh, we're going, yeah, because we have a 7-hour drive. Well, 5.5, but we're gonna stop and start. But anyway. And we're gonna get breakfast tomorrow at the place. So yeah, we're gonna drive more. Oh guys, so yeah, no, yes, I need more blueberries. So guys, we just came back from Forest Lagoon. You'd have seen some clips. But just to let you know, lagoons here, this is Europe, okay? So if you're not comfortable with being naked, like when you walk into the change rooms and the showers, you are naked. Everybody is on the corner and everybody's naked. Naked, okay? So just be mindful about that. If you don't, yeah, if you're not nude positive. This is Europe. So yeah, we're gonna get some grapes and some blueberries, just the essentials for us, and then call it a night, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Alright, so morning guys. So we're on our way, which today is now Sunday and it's now 10 o'clock. We're on our way to Glacier waterfall, just a couple of kilometers away from here. It's now 2 degrees, 2.5 degrees. Yeah, it's something else.
Yeah, it's really cold and it's really misty this morning. That's the thing. It's
But
from last night.
as travelers, we must. So
we are gonna must.
let's go.
We're gonna go. So we are at Godafoss. I'll put the name on the screen. It's this location here. It's a little further away from Akureyri in northern Iceland. So we are gonna go see the falls. So you park up there and then you walk along and it's gorgeous from what we saw coming in. So we're gonna get some more footage and you'll see that soon. drone footage. The sun is sunning out. Making a quick pit stop because we are hungry after all that driving. Now we're 3 hours outside of Reykjavik, so I got a bubble tea drink. This is lemon with mango bobas, and then I'm getting a pizza, and then Hakeem got an Icelandic hot dog. It's like one of those things that you get if you come to Iceland. So it's like mixed with lamb, pork, and beef. And then it has like cheese in it and crispy onion.
Hit the spot.
So it hit the spot. So yeah, we're just waiting. We're at a gas station. So Hakeem filled up the car and we're getting the food. So yeah, so we have another 3 hours ahead of us. Because yeah, we're trying to wait until we reach Reykjavik to eat, but we can't wait. It's actually, it's the spot, guys. Fries. And sauce. So this is the outfit that I could muster up for dinner. Yeah, because we had to go back into our bags because our flight was cancelled. So we're stuck in Iceland for one more night. Not too bad, but we're ready to go home. But we're here. This is my outfit. Ooh. Are we matching intentionally?
I'm not watching.
We are matching! Look! Guys, we didn't plan this. Listen, we just literally take out the clothes and this is what we always do this, you know? This always happens. We literally match unintentionally. And I have a mesh cardigan.
You're pushing it.
Oh gosh. So we're still in Iceland. We had a little bit of an issue with our plane, some engine issue. So we are in Iceland for one more night. We had to try and rebook because we had a connecting flight with JetBlue tonight at 10:30. So obviously that wouldn't make that connecting flight. So we had to get on a call with JetBlue, sort that out. Had to end up paying for another flight. However, Delta said that they're going to reimburse us. So I got the invoice and that's that. But anyway, we are here. We just had some dinner at this hotel. What's the name again? Hotel Cabin. Yeah, it's nice. It's a cute little hotel. Delta put us up in the hotel and started out our dinner and breakfast for tomorrow, and then we're gonna leave from here and go back to the airport and go through the entire process all over again. So I had some tomato soup and some chickpeas and just some good stuff. So I feel okay. I think later on for some like a midnight snack, I may want a midnight snack. I may want Chinese food because I've been wanting Chinese food. So I think we're gonna go and get that. But after dinner, I think you wanna walk. Well, I need to find a supermarket and there's one around the corner. So we're gonna go to the supermarket and get a couple things and just be ready for our night and just rest. I don't think we're gonna get up too much tonight. Maybe walk. The sky looks clear. Maybe we can see the northern lights. I mean, we never see it last night and God give us another chance. So maybe tonight is the night. But we shall see. But it's been good so far. So yeah, I think we're not gonna get up too much. So if anything, I'll show you guys bits and bobs of our afternoon. Just finishing up dinner and then we're gonna head to the store. And that's that. So guys, this is Cronan Supermarket, another chain supermarket here. They have Bonus and they have Cronan.
We have
Hakwa.
That is like the harbor, like everything store. Remember the one that we went to?
Oh yeah. That one, yeah. They had like makeup and stuff in there as well. This one we went to in Akureyri. Let's go check out. Got the stuff. King. No, not yet. And then Hakeem got from here. What I got crispy. I got dynamite king prawn.
It's nice.
It looks delicious.
It smells nice as well.
It smells like. I wonder if it's gonna taste as got chopsticks in there and everything. So I wonder if it's gonna taste as good as Cole.
Oh yes, I forgot.